All right.
Yes, ma'am.
So in your January portion, I've already done cell structures and function. We're going to revise this later on, but this is there in your January portion. Then you have chemical effects of electric current and some natural phenomena. Okay, these 3 chapters are there for your January portion. So we'll try to finish these 2 chapters within the next 2 weeks and also this last chapter, which means after this we'll be left with 4 chapters: reproduction, reaching the age of adolescence, light, stars and solar system. So maybe by February end, we'll try to finish all these chapters, okay? That means I'm going to also give you notes. I know I haven't given you notes of these 2 chapters. I will do that. I'm still marking it in my book. Bhavani, go on mute. Okay, so by February end, we are trying to finish our portion, finish pura complete. After that, Nadia, you're still not on mute. Nadia, mute karo. All right. Okay, so we will try to finish all of this till February end, and after that, we are only doing revision. ठीक है, तो जब हमारा रिवीजन स्टार्ट हो जाएगा उस टाइम पे मैं किसी को समझाने नहीं बैठूंगी, मैं सिर्फ क्वेश्चंस पूछूंगी एंड आप लोग आंसर्स दोगे. Okay, so it's only going to be question answers during revision time. I'm not going to teach anything. So you have time till February to study these chapters. Is that clear to everyone? Give me a thumbs up if you understood. सबको समझ आया? Abdul Shahid, what did I just say? Come off mute and tell me, Abdul Shahid.
Ma'am, you tell that chapter 2 revision.
Revision will start which month? Which month am I starting the revision? Who can tell me? Bhavani? Yes, you can answer. Nobody is replying to me. Okay, last class हमने water pollution we had, sorry, air pollution we had done the revision of it. If you guys drop off in between, don't worry. You don't have to unmute and start shouting, ma'am, my network is not working. Okay, because I will have the recording sent to you on WhatsApp, so you guys don't have to worry about it. Okay, we'll start with water pollution. Can somebody tell me what do you mean by pollutants? I taught you what is pollutants, right?
Ma'am.
Yes, Umesh.
But
tell me.
Ma'am, you have to do the Taj Mahal also is done, no? That green house also done. You have to do what can be done.
What can be done? You remember I gave you as a project? Everybody has forgotten the project, right? I gave you what can be done of this chapter as project, right? We'll discuss that later. But tell me first, what is pollutants?
Ma'am, pollutants.
Yes. There's a key word that starts with U.
U. Unwanted substance.
Unwanted substances.
And
harmful effects.
Unwanted substances in air or water.
Ma'am, it's impure version.
That causes what?
That causes, ma'am, that
smog.
Not smog, that causes problems to living and non-living thing, or that causes harmful effects. That causes
plants, animals.
Ma'am, plants and animals.
Harmful effects to living and non-living. Can you all understand my handwriting?
Yes, yes.
Unwanted substances, harmful effects, living, non-living are your keywords. Please write this down or take a screenshot and write it down later. Now tell me, why do we use water? Water and its uses. Okay, where all do we use water? For what reasons do we use water?
For everything.
Yes, Arfat. Raise your hand. Arfat.
For drinking.
Drinking. What else? Suhail?
For cooking.
Ma'am, when we eat food, no.
Yes.
Our hands feel dirty when we. Then we wash our hands.
Washing. Umesh?
Ma'am, for everything.
For everything. Tell me pinpointed. Bhavani? Bhavani, what else? Drinking, washing?
Ma'am, can I tell?
Yes.
Ma'am, washing clothes.
Washing clothes, washing में ही आता है वो. Bhavani, you said something. I think I heard your answer. Can you repeat it? Bhavani dropped off.
Ma'am, can I tell?
Ma'am,
Yes, Alfia, go ahead. If Bhavani is not
For
answering.
cooking. For
Cooking.
cooking.
Okay, you all know drinking, washing, clothes washing, utensils, taking bath, cooking. For everything we are using water, okay? So if the question is what are the uses of water, you won't write water everything. You will point out for what reasons we are using water, okay? So now tell me, what do you understand by water pollution? What are some reasons of water pollution?
Ma'am, water. कचरा रहता है ना water.
Okay. So I'm going to write those down in a different color. Garbage in water. कहाँ से आता है ये garbage?
ma'am, for agriculture.
Okay. Agriculture से how? For agriculture. Okay. Water is used for
Ma'am,
agriculture.
factories also know that chemical mixed with water.
Okay. First, Bhavani said we use water for agriculture. Okay. And now then Mehak said that in agriculture, what are we using that is causing water pollution? Mehak?
Factories.
Okay. Garbage in water from factories. What are we using in agriculture that is causing pollution?
Ma'am, causing pollution. Ma'am, when agriculture is over, no, ma'am, we remove that rice, all wheats, no. After that, we will burn that, no, ma'am.
That is causing water pollution or air pollution?
Air pollution.
After getting that water before pollution.
Okay, but what are we putting in agriculture? ऐसे छिड़कते क्या है?
Water.
Water ऐसे छिड़कते हैं?
No,
No,
ma'am.
ma'am, like that.
No, ma'am, that kachra.
कचरा
Fertilizer.
plants पे agriculture
Fertilizers.
fertilizers, or you call it pesticides. Pesticides and fertilizers. Yes, or chemicals from agricultural fields. Okay, what else causes water pollution? Anything else?
Ma'am, in factories, garbage.
Chemicals.
Garbage from factories or waste. Garbage or waste in water from factories.
Ma'am, did our garbage come in water? No.
Yes.
Ma'am,
Factories.
with water.
What, darling? Repeat that.
We get mixed with water.
It will get mixed with water, of course. And what else? Tell me, from factories, what kind of water? Okay, it is dirty, but it is hot water or cold water?
Ma'am,
Factories में से hot water is going to the water, like hot waste. Is it the hot gandagi? Is it very garam? Or is it cold?
Garam, ma'am.
Okay, hot waste from factories. Stop saying that. Any other reasons why water gets polluted? What about us? Apart from factories, apart from pesticides, what do humans do?
ma'am, substance.
Substance, yeah, that is garbage or waste substance.
Ma'am, we put garbage in.
We put garbage in it. Okay, what else do humans do in villages? What do they use these lakes and rivers and all that for?
For bathing.
For taking bath. What else?
Uh,
Ma'am, they wash cows also in that.
Yes, of course. Human activities like taking bath,
Ma'am, washing clothes.
washing clothes, Okay?
And used for cooking.
So cooking तो मतलब पानी में नहीं, we are cooking, no? Okay, we are washing clothes, all that dirty. Stop annotating on my screen. I can see your name, you know that, right? Okay, washing. What spelling am I writing? Clothes. Okay, you guys can take a screenshot of this and I want to see this in your notebook. Okay, I want to see this is the first point, this is the second point, and this reasons for water pollution is the third point, and इसमें 4 अलग-अलग points: garbage, pesticides, hot water, human activities. Okay, can you take a screenshot of this? So this is
Then ma'am, I have taken.
This is 3.1, this is 3.2, 3.3, and this is 3.4. Okay, I need to see this in your notebook. Take a screenshot, or if you've written it, very good. And I'm going to erase this in 5, 4, 3, 2, 1.
Done, ma'am.
Okay, perfect. Now, Abdul Shahid, I'm going to throw you out. That's what I'm going to do. Okay, stop doing that. We are going to do this case study of Ganga action plan and all that in some time, okay? But first, I need you to mark some things, and whatever you guys just told me, remember, every answer, आपने जितना भी answer अभी दिया है, आपके दिमाग से आया है. You only have told me, which means you know the answers properly, and it's the exact same thing that is written in your textbook also. Okay, and I'll show you what exactly has been written in the textbook. But first, please mark this. The substances that pollute water are called water pollutants. Example of water pollutants are these things: sewage, toxic chemicals, silt, etc. Okay, these are examples of water. I'm not going to write water as WATR. I'm going to write H2O. Okay, H2O means water. You all know that, right?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay,
Yes, ma'am.
examples of water pollutant. Water pollution is example of water pollutants. Okay, these are the undesirable or unwanted substances जो water में pollution cause कर रहा है. Okay, that is causing water pollution. Okay, we'll do this case study in some time. I'm going to erase this. And I'm going to show you all the causes and effects of water pollution. We did causes and effects in air pollution also. हमने air pollution में किया था causes of air pollution and effects of air pollution. Yes or no?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. So same way, now we are going to do causes and effects of water pollution. Causes yani what? What are causes? What does causes mean?
जो harm कर.
जो pollution cause
It's
कर
like
रहा है. Very good. जिसके वजह से harm या नुकसान पहुंच रहा है, those are causes. Okay, the reason why this pollution is happening. Okay, what are effects? What do you mean by effects?
What happening?
What, Aisha? What are effects? Yes, Arfat? Nobody's answering?
I can tell, ma'am.
Yes, tell me.
Problems, ma'am.
Problems, or what all are the problems it is causing to living and non-living things. Effects यानी उसका क्या असर पड़ रहा है living और non-living things पर. Okay, तो हम वही
Ma'am, what
causes and
happening
effects
like
पढ़ने वाले हैं.
reactions?
Yes, correct. Okay, so now I want you to open page 246, column 2. Till this last paragraph over here, till here is your Ganga action plan. Okay, Ganga के बारे में है. उसके नीचे से इस paragraph से आपका causes and effects are starting. So you will make a line like this and you will write causes and effects of water pollution. So what we are going to do, guys, for causes, all the causes that are there, जितने भी causes हैं यहाँ पे, उसको हम cause 1, C1, C2, C3 करके we'll mark, okay? And the effects that are there, उसको brackets में we'll put and we'll write E1, E2, E3. Is this clear? Give me a thumbs up if this is clear to everyone. Causes को हम
Ma'am, I can't understand.
Okay, so all the causes that we are listing, okay, all the causes of air pollution, the reasons behind, sorry, water pollution, all the reasons behind water pollution we are listing, we'll mark it in the book as C1, C2, C3. Okay, there'll be many causes, no? It's there somewhere in between. So we are going to put brackets and write, okay, from here to here is cause 1. Okay, this is first point. Like that we are going to mark. And all the effects in the textbook we are going to mark as E1, E2, E3. Is that clear?
Okay,
Yes,
ma'am.
सबको समझ आया, Salman?
Yes.
I'm going to stop recording. Okay. So for जितने भी causes होंगे, water pollution के जितने भी causes हैं, उसको हम textbook में mark करेंगे C1, C2, C3 करके. ठीक है? तो अगर मैं यहाँ से यहाँ तक mark कर रही हूँ और इसको बोल रही हूँ C1, तो आपको समझ जाना है कि ये फर्स्ट कॉज है वाटर पोल्यूशन का. वाटर पोल्यूशन किस चीज की वजह से हो रहा है, यानी इंडस्ट्री से डिस्चार्ज हो रहे हैं हार्मफुल केमिकल्स के. सो वो हमारा पहला कॉज है. अब इस कॉज का कुछ इफेक्ट भी होगा ना, कि इंसानों में बीमारी पहुंचा रही, इट्स कॉजिंग सम डिजीज टू ह्यूमन बींग्स, उसको हम मार्क करके E1 करके लिखेंगे. तो आपको समझ जाना है दैट दिस इज इफेक्ट. ठीक है, व्हाट इफेक्ट इज इट हैविंग टू ह्यूमन बींग्स. Okay, when we practice, you guys will understand better. So can we start practicing? आप लोगों ने बोला that the first cause is industry or factories में से whatever chemical or waste is going into the river. That is the first point that you said, yes or no?
Yes, ma'am.
That is the first point in your textbook as well. Okay, many industries discharge harmful chemicals into rivers and stream, causing pollution of water. Example, oil refineries, paper factories, textile यानी what? Textile industry यानी किसका industry? Textile means clothes का industry. ठीक है, कपड़ों का industry. So textile industry means clothes industries and sugar mills. Okay, so all of these industries, this is cause number 1. They are causing water pollution. इनके वजह से water pollution हो रहा है. Page 246, column 2. Aisha, you're showing me the wrong page. Okay, so please mark this as cause 1.
Ma'am.
Yes.
What is mean sugar mills, ma'am?
Sugar mills मतलब wherever sugars are made. From sugar cane, they'll make sugar, no?
Yes, ma'am.
Sugar cane से जहाँ पे sugar बनता है, उसको कहते हैं sugar mills. Paper factories, you all know. Oil refineries, आपको पता है ना, तेल का जो भी from wherever we get oil.
Yes, ma'am.
गड्ढा खोदते हैं, they will dig the soil and they'll take out oil. Okay, so this is your cause number 1. I'm going to clear this. I hope you've all marked. Everyone has marked. Give me a thumbs up. I need thumbs ups. Everybody has marked. Very inactive you guys are. So now, यहाँ पे, sorry guys, this point is ending here. So you can put a bracket here. So this is a continuation of cause 1. Okay. Or chemical factories, you don't even have to write. That much example is enough. Okay. So these are the effects which starts here. These industries cause chemical contamination of water. Contamination मतलब क्या होता है guys? Contaminants. Yes.
Yeah, you told me, yes, ma'am. Contamination.
I told you. I said pure, something related to pure.
Ma'am, something
pure में.
Pure.
Something that is?
Ma'am, something
Shuddh.
that.
Shuddh.
Pure मतलब शुद्ध.
Yes.
I can tell, ma'am.
Impure. Impure.
Impure what? Arfat, tell me clearly. Umesh is giving me half answer.
Something which is pure and plus something and becomes impure.
Okay, so something is very pure, but when it gets contaminated, it becomes impure. कोई चीज जो शुद्ध है, जब वो contaminate हो जाता है, वो अशुद्ध हो जाता है.
Like
So
milk.
all these chemicals, yes, Umesh, that's what you said. I know you gave me like somewhat the same words. Okay, you want to say something else, Umesh?
No, ma'am.
Okay. So these industries cause chemical contamination of water. The chemicals released include arsenic. This is name of a chemical, okay? Arsenic, lead, and fluorides. All these are very harmful for humans and plants and animals and everything. It leads to toxicity in plants and animals. So this is your effect number 1. Okay? That these chemicals cause toxicity in plants and animals. This is your effect number 1. Okay? अगर मैं आपसे पूछूं, if I ask you a question that give me examples of chemicals that are put in water from industries or that are added to water from industries, what are the examples that you're going to tell me? What are some chemicals that are put into water from the industries?
Ma'am, that arsenic.
Arsenic.
Ma'am, colors.
Colors also, yes, you can put colors also are dropped into the water, but arsenic, lead,
fluorides.
Okay, give me a thumbs up. इतना तक सबको समझ आया? Factories में से जो chemicals निकल रहा है, give me a thumbs up everyone. Okay, so यहाँ पे there is a solution that is given here. Let's not do this paragraph right now. Okay, let's not do this from here to here. I'll come back to this. Please remind me. But this one,
Okay, ma'am.
Underline this paragraph. The soil is also affected by impure water, causing changes in acidity and growth of worms. Okay. When acids from industries are put into water, then the soil nearby will also get affected. Okay. पानी के आसपास जो मिट्टी है, अगर पानी गंदा है तो वो मिट्टी भी अफेक्ट होगा.
Yes.
Yes. तो वो मिट्टी में एसिडिटी बढ़ जाएगी. ठीक है, एसिडिटी बढ़ जाएगी और कीड़े ग्रो होने लगेंगे. ओके, सो देन आप लोग, इफ देयर इज मोर एसिडिटी एंड इफ देयर आर वर्म्स दैट आर ग्रोइंग, विल यू बी एबल टू ग्रो क्रॉप्स? क्या आप उसमें खेती बाड़ी कर सकते हो? विल यू बी एबल टू ग्रो ऑल दोस प्लांट्स इन दोस सॉइल?
No, ma'am.
No, ma'am.
So this one becomes a cause or an effect?
Effect.
So this is an effect and this is effect number 2. Okay, this is effect number 2. Okay, next line is the importance of pesticides and weedicides for production of crop. We have already studied that. You already studied pesticides and weedicides in chapter 1. Fertilizers, all those. Yes or no?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
So now they're saying all these chemicals dissolve in water and are washed into water bodies from the fields. They also seep into the ground and pollute the ground. So what is happening here? What are these pesticides doing? If you put a lot of pesticides, what happens?
I can tell, ma'am.
Yes, Arfat.
Ma'am, the land get polluted.
Land will get polluted. Umesh, what will happen? Land is getting polluted. What else? What are they talking about? Water bodies here.
Chemical destroyed.
Darling, raise your hand. Umesh and Arfat are raising hands. I'm going to ask them. Simran.
Ma'am.
Yes, Umesh. What is happening? What are they talking about? Water bodies here.
Ma'am, chemical destroyed.
Bhavani, you're talking out of turn. I'll call you out. There are people who are raising hands, so I need to ask them. Okay? Okay. So all the chemicals that we are putting in the fields, जो भी chemicals हम fields में डाल रहे हैं, खेतों में डाल रहे हैं, when we put water, no, जब हम पानी देंगे, when we do irrigation, when we put water to that land, all that water will flow off and it will go to water bodies only. Yes? Or it will go into the groundwater? Yes or no? Give me a thumbs up if you understood. जो water है, वो मिट्टी से नीचे जाएगा और ground water में चला जाएगा. No, somebody is not on mute.
Yes,
I don't
ma'am.
like it. So under the ground, you will have some water. Okay. So if you are using too many chemicals, I'm going to repeat in Hindi also. If you're going to use too many chemicals, if you put water, then after that, no, whenever you want to grow plants, you have to put water. And if you do that, then all the chemicals will go inside the soil. It will destroy the soil, and it will also, all the chemicals will go underground. Yes or no?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. So I'm repeating in Hindi. जितना भी chemicals हम खेतों में डालते हैं, जब हम पानी देंगे खेत में, तो जो मिट्टी है, मिट्टी खराब होगी और जो chemicals है वो मिट्टी के नीचे चला जाएगा अंडरग्राउंड में. तो अंडरग्राउंड में जितना भी पानी है वो भी गंदा हो जाएगा, पल्यूट हो जाएगा. करेक्ट?
Yes, ma'am.
So ये is this a cause or is this a effect?
Cause.
Is this a cause?
Cause, ma'am.
But it's saying all these chemicals dissolve in water, wash into water bodies. They also seep into the ground. So if this is the effect, guys, agar yahan se yahan tak, if it is effects, then what will be the cause? What is the cause? Cause number 2. Somebody's water body is not causing this dulling. Pesticides
chemical
and pesticides are causing this. Okay, so cause 2, use of pesticides and weedicides. This is one point that you gave me already. This was your second point also in agriculture. ये second point आपने भी मुझे दिया था, yes or no?
Yes, ma'am.
How inactive you guys are.
No, ma'am.
Okay, this is the same point जो आप लोगों ने मुझे दिया था. That is same point which is written here. So this is cause number 2 that I have written separately, and this is effect number 3. Okay, that what is it causing? It is washing to the water bodies, and it is also seeping. Seeping yani zameen mein it is absorbing. The ground is absorbing it. Absorb ho jana. It is seeping into the ground to cause pollution of groundwater. Okay, there is a field. There are crops in this field. Okay, somewhere down the field there is a pond also. Okay, there are ducks in the pond. Nicely they are roaming around. There are lotus, there are flowers, and all those things are there in the pond. Okay, so now you're using fertilizers in this field. What will happen when you put water? That water will ultimately go here.
No, ma'am.
Ma'am, your voice is not coming.
Darling, go to a different location. It's your network, not mine. Okay, so all this water will flow and go to the lake and pond. No, agar zameen mein bhi jayega, to underground water will also go to nearby water bodies only.
Yes, ma'am.
We have studied that. No, underground water will go to all nearby water bodies.
Yes, ma'am. And ma'am, if there is like, ma'am, there is one lake, and there is dirty lake and good lake also, ma'am. If they both mix, then it will cause no.
Yes. So if chemicals are mixed in this water, what will happen to the animals and fishes living inside it? What will happen?
Ma'am, they get destroyed.
They will get affected and they will die.
They will die. They will get affected. And what if we will take water from this and if we drink it?
We will get infection.
We get disease.
We will get some disease or we'll get some infection. Okay, perfect. So now I'm clearing my screen. Okay, if you want to take a screenshot, you take it now. I hope you have all marked it.
Ma'am, I have one more doubt.
Yes. Can we take doubts in the end? I only have 8 minutes left. Let me first mark all this. I'll take all your doubts. Please write it down somewhere.
Ma'am.
Yes, darling.
Ma'am, आपकी आवाज ठीक से नहीं आ रही, ma'am.
Okay. Next. We are done with this. Okay.
Ma'am,
Have you guys seen those lakes and ponds which is green color instead of like blue or
yes, ma'am.
normal color? It's very
Yes,
green.
yes.
What is that green color thing in those ponds, guys?
Algae.
Algae. Perfect. Okay, so that green color cheese, kuch ponds mein it will look completely green in color. That green color is because of algae. Okay. So where is this algae coming from? So for that, we are going to read the next line, okay? Have you seen ponds which look green from a distance because they have a lot of algae growing in them? This is because of excessive quantities of chemicals which get washed from the fields. So all these chemicals that are there, आप chemicals plants में क्यों डाल रहे हो? So that plants will grow well. Yes?
Yes.
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. So all these chemicals that you're using to make the plants grow well will also be used by the algae to grow well.
Yes, ma'am.
Yes. So all the nutrients that will be in the lake or the pond, this algae will use and it will grow nicely. Okay. So from here, this will be used by the algae and they will grow. These are used as nutrients because you remember we studied that these chemicals and fertilizers have nutrients in them. What are some nutrients present in them?
Where, ma'am?
First chapter में हमने पढ़ा था. Chemicals and fertilizers में क्या क्या nutrients होते हैं जो plants को necessary होते हैं?
Calcium.
Calcium? No, not calcium. NPK, you remember?
Protein.
Nitrogen.
Nitrogen. P is for?
Please, ma'am.
Nitrogen.
Photosynthesis.
No. Nitrogen. Phosphorus.
Potassium.
Potassium. Okay. You remember ना nitrogen, phosphorus, NPK याद है आप लोगों को?
Yes.
First chapter में पढ़ा था. याद नहीं है तो please go back to first chapter just to see through एक बार. Just go through it once. So NPK, nitrogen, phosphorus, potassium are present in fertilizers. They are used as nutrients. ठीक है? ये nutrients होते हैं. You can write it down in your notebook somewhere. Okay, these are your nutrients. And these are used by plants and therefore they can be used by algae also. Okay? So what will happen if algae will grow? Then the algae will also die. It's a living organism only. Algae is a living organism.
Yes,
is it
ma'am.
living or non-living?
Living, ma'am.
It is living. So if algae will die and अगर आपके water में पूरा algae ऊपर की तरफ है तो will other animals, fishes in the lake or pond, will they get oxygen? Do you think they will get oxygen?
Ma'am, can you
No,
repeat?
ma'am.
If there is too much algae in a pond, अगर एक pond या lake में ज्यादा algae है तो क्या आपको लगता है कि fishes and other animals and plants will they get oxygen?
No, ma'am.
No, because mostly सारा oxygen algae will use.
Yes.
Okay. So all these algae, they serve as food for decomposers like bacteria. So if algae is there, that means there are small bacteria also that will grow. Okay. Then they will, all these decomposers, you need to know one thing, algae and bacteria needs a lot of oxygen to grow. Okay. ठीक है, ये याद रखना है कि algae और जो बैक्टीरिया है उसको ढेर सारा ऑक्सीजन चाहिए होता है ग्रो करने के लिए. तो अगर एक पॉन्ड या लेक में algae और बैक्टीरिया है, मतलब ज्यादा से ज्यादा ऑक्सीजन algae and bacteria will use. So will there be oxygen for other organisms like
No.
fishes?
No, ma'am.
So a lot of oxygen is used in water body. In the water body gets used up. This results in decreasing in the oxygen level that will kill aquatic organisms. Why?
Can we mark?
Why will organisms die off if there is less oxygen?
What, ma'am?
Why will other fishes and other organisms die, aquatic organisms? Why will they die?
Ma'am, because
क्यों मरेंगे?
they need clean water and oxygen to survive. No,
Without oxygen, what will happen?
they will die.
They will die.
Suffocate, घुटन होगी. Okay? Without oxygen, they will all die because they will feel suffocated. So tell me, this one is a cause or an effect?
Effect.
Effect.
Cause.
Effect. Cause is again, what is the cause here? What is causing all this?
Ma'am, causing the chest.
Fertilizers, chemicals. Fertilizers and chemicals are the ones who are causing this, and this is our effect number. Which effect?
4.
Effect
4.
number 4. So far we have 2 causes. 2 causes हैं. एक तो chemicals from.
Yes.
Chemicals from where?
What, ma'am?
Chemicals from
From
where?
factories.
From factories. That is our first cause. Second cause is.
Fertilizers.
Fertilizers, pesticides, weedicides, all of those. And we have 4 effects so far. Okay. I'm going to clear the screen now.
Okay, ma'am.
Okay. Next part of this side. Come to this side. Okay. Wait. Oh, there's something here also. Okay. So now there is a paragraph here also. Some untreated sewage is thrown directly into the rivers. This is a cause or an effect?
Cause.
Untreated sewage. This is a cause. Cause number 3. This is causing pollution. Untreated sewage. Okay, so this is your cause number 3, which we already spoke about. Garbage and all those waste from waters.
Yes, ma'am.
From factory, sorry. So sewage यानी गंदगी. ठीक है? Untreated sewage यानी जो factories में से, whenever factories have these chemicals, no, they should treat it. यानी chemicals should reduce, then only they should put it in water. Okay, but some factories don't do it. कुछ factories जो है अपने chemicals को कम नहीं करते, पूरा chemicals ऐसे ही डाल देते हैं. Okay, they just put it, dump it like that without treating it. Wastewater treatment, that is called wastewater treatment. Some factories don't do that wastewater treatment. Okay, so some of them throw it directly into the river. So that is a cause of pollution. It causes pollution. Next, from here, it contains food waste, detergent, microorganism, etc. Till here, it will be your cause number 3. Okay, till here. Okay, so from the bottom part, untreated sewage से लेके etc. तक is your cause number 3. Clear? Everybody has marked it? Everyone has marked it?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
Thumbs up, please. Nobody is giving me a thumbs up. Okay, next. Water contaminated with sewage may contain bacteria, virus, fungi, parasite, which causes diseases like cholera, typhoid, jaundice. Is this a cause or an effect?
Cause.
Effect.
Why cause? Why effect?
Effect.
Is it causing something or is it affecting somebody? This will be our effect number 5 because this is causing some sort of कोई disease. किसी को affect कर रहा है ये. ठीक है? It is causing diseases like cholera, typhoid. So ये बीमारी फैला रहा है. So this is your effect number 5. Okay, the cause is this. Untreated sewage is your cause. Effect of untreated sewage is that sewage or that waste will have bacteria, virus, fungi, parasite, which will cause diseases. Okay? Got it?
Ma'am, sewage mean wastewater, ma'am.
Yes. Sewage is wastewater. Guys, अगर आपको बीच में समझ नहीं आ रहा है, please raise your hand and ask doubts. Okay?
Okay, ma'am.
I think this is super easy. It's like all common sense stuff and you guys can understand it. So if you don't understand also, I'll explain again.
Ma'am, okay, ma'am.
Umesh, I know you have like amazing doubts. So I'll take those doubts in some time. Okay? Okay. The bacteria present in the feces. Do you know what this is? Feces of mammals.
Ma'am.
No, ma'am.
So all the waste that is coming out of animals. For example, all the urine, and the stool. Okay? So for example, अगर आपके लैंग्वेज में बोला जाए तो आप लोग जो बाथरूम में जाके करते हो वही सारी उसको फीसिस बोलते हैं साइंस में. ठीक है? It's a more decent word to use. So we are going to use the word feces. Okay? So please इसको circle करो. Waste from organisms. Next time I use the word feces, you should understand that this is every waste that is coming out of a organism's body. जिस भी animals के body से जो भी चीजें निकल रही हैं, उसको कहते हैं feces. Okay? किसी को doubt इसमें?
No.
No, ma'am.
Okay, perfect. All right. ठीक है? So bacteria present in feces of mammals are indicators. Indicators यानी? Indicators of quality of water यानी? It indicates what? Indicate करना मतलब दिखाना. क्या दिखाता है? बैक्टीरिया जो प्रेजेंट होता है.
मैम गंदगी.
Quality of water.
Yes, वो quality of water दिखाता है. ठीक है? तो all this waste that is there, no guys. नादिया mute. ठीक है? जितना भी वेस्ट होता है ऑर्गेनिजम्स की बॉडी से निकलता है, अगर वो किसी जगह पे पड़ा रहेगा तो वहां पे बैक्टीरिया आएगा. विल देयर बी बैक्टीरिया इन दैट द वेस्ट?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, so all that bacteria that is there, it will indicate, so we can measure the bacteria. ठीक है? हम water का अगर sample लेते हैं, if we take water sample and we do testing on it, we can measure कि उसमें कितना बैक्टीरिया है या कितना नहीं है. We can measure the amount of bacteria in that water sample. Okay?
Okay,
So
ma'am.
what this is saying is that if we measure the amount of bacteria, if there is more bacteria, that means water is good or bad?
Bad.
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 Okay, that means there is too much waste in it. That's why there is more bacteria. Okay? And if the bacteria is less, it means there is, water is
Good.
Clean.
good water. Okay, we can use the water. If the water has these bacteria, it means that it has been contaminated by fecal matter. यानी अगर पानी में बैक्टीरिया है, it means that animals have done some dirty work in the water and it is not good for use. Okay? Got it?
Ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
So what if there is a baby in the house and the mother is taking the diapers and washing it in the water? What will happen? Bacteria will increase or decrease?
Increase.
Bacteria will increase, okay? Because all the dirty matter of a human body is going into the water. And
Okay,
it can, so this is one way. So question can be, how can you measure quality of water? Okay, Jinu sir, just give me.
Can we write down, ma'am?
Yes, you can write this question and the answer for this question is from here to here. Okay, this paragraph is answer to this question. How can you measure quality of water? By measuring the amount of bacteria in the water. ठीक है? Is this clear to you? अगर हम बैक्टीरिया मेजर करेंगे तो हमें वाटर के क्वालिटी का पता चल जाएगा.
Yes, ma'am.
All right. Now I told you कि यहाँ पे बीच में एक लाइन है that I left off. ठीक है? That is from here.
Classwork, ma'am.
You can mark it in your book now. I'll ask you to write it later. As long as you remember it, it's good enough for now. You don't have to write it, or you can write it in your classwork as causes. Causes में कितने points थे?
Causes 3.
3 points. आप causes में
3
ये
ma'am.
points लिख लो please. And effects में how many points?
5.
5 points.
Ma'am.
Okay. 1 second. You'll write causes of water pollution 3 points. Effects of water pollution 5 points. Okay. Can you write this in? This is your homework then.
Ma'am.
Yes.
That you here, ma'am, this side you write question, no? There you put that red color wala, ma'am. That is causes or effects, ma'am?
This is not causes or effects. This is answer to this question.
Okay, ma'am.
Okay, ये ना तो cause है ना effect है. So this is answer. They are saying how do you measure the quality of water? By measuring the amount of bacteria. Okay.
Ma'am, after that, I want to write full notes, ma'am. First, one lesson to 10 lesson.
Yeah, if you've not written, you have to write those notes. Okay. Or you can take
Ma'am.
Xerox also. You can take Xerox from somebody. Okay. Look here, everyone. I missed out this paragraph. There are regulations to prevent this. Industries are supposed to treat the wastewater before discharging it into waters, but quite often the rules are not followed. Okay. So here they are talking about, you will mark this paragraph and you will write wastewater treatment. Okay. Somebody is not on mute. I'm requesting everybody to go on mute. Nadia, बार-बार unmute कर रहे हो, आप अपने आप को mute पे रखो, please. Okay. यहाँ पे they are saying that wastewater that are coming out of factories should always be treated, but it is not being treated by most of the factories, which is what is causing the water pollution. Okay. This is easy. There are rules regarding it, that all factories should do some wastewater treatment. There are rules also, but they're not following. Okay. All right. Now I'm going to stop recording. Today we did causes and effects of water pollution. Tomorrow we are going to do activities. We are going to do the Gangawala case study. So please just read it through and come once, so that we'll do breakout room activities. So it will be helpful to you if you read it once. Okay, Gangawala chapter.
Ma'am, you want to write, ma'am, that points all?
Yeah, these 3 points, these 5 points, and this question answer you will write. You don't have to write this. Okay, causes ke 3 points, effects ke 5 points, and the quality of water, this question with its answer you need to write in your notes. Okay, this thing you don't have to write. Tomorrow, please read and come this part, the Gangawala part, and how to make water pure. We're going to do activities tomorrow. Why I'm not able to scroll it only. 1 second.
Ma'am, this was super easy. That see, like we did the effects and causes. No.
This is all common sense. Okay. So iske upar whatever we left, no, Gangawala, Ganga action plan. Can you please read that and come? My screen is frozen. I'm not able to change it.
Ma'am, from where?
Below
Which
also.
page?
Ma'am, which page?
So you will study this case study you have to do. Just read it once, because we'll do activity. Just read the case study once till here. Okay, till these 3 points. And what is potable water? How is water purified? What can be done to purify water? This also just 1 paragraph is there. Only like a few 3 points are there. That's it. We're going to do this activity tomorrow. Just read it and come once. Okay. That's it.